How can you install Clarity from Microsoft using PixelYourSite? I will show you 3 ways to do it. But first, what is Clarity? It's an analytics tool from Microsoft, pretty nice. It has two very interesting features. One, a heat map. Basically, you can see the places that are clicked by your users, page scroll, page dip, all these user interactions, and another one, recordings. From what I noticed, they work only for desktop. I didn't see any recordings from mobile, but Clarity records what happens on the page, on the website, and you can visualize them for some interaction, for some visitors. And I'll also show you what to do if the recordings doesn't look right inside the Clarity itself. Back to the initial part, how to install Clarity using PixelYourSite. First of all, you can do it using our Bing add-on. Bing, in fact, it's owned by Microsoft. If you have the universal event tracking tag from Bing on your website, you have also Clarity. There is a checkbox. Let me show you. When you generate a new tag for Bing, from here, UET tag, create a new one. This is the checkbox. You keep this checked. Microsoft will automatically create a Clarity account with the same UET, Universal Events Tracking Tag value. So that's one thing to do it. Once you have the tag, go inside PixelYourSite. I assume you have PixelYourSite installed and our Bing add-on installed as well. Add the ID here, save, and that's it. You have both Bing tracking for Microsoft Ads and Clarity. The key is that Bing supports events. You can use those events to create audiences, and very important, to create conversions. So we will fire, for example, a purchase event when an e-commerce order is placed on your website, and you can use that purchase event to create a custom conversion, and that conversion can be used for your ads. So I have videos explaining how to do this for Bing and Microsoft. But you also have Clarity right now once you have the Bing ID installed on the website here. Okay, so that's one thing. That's one way to do it. The other one is to simply add the Clarity tracking code with our head and footer option. We have this option where you can add code on any page you want. I already have the code, so simply copy the code and add it here. From where can you get the code? Go to Clarity, settings, setup, and install manually, and copy this code. Copy this code, go to PixelYourSite, head and footer, add it to every page, and save. So that's another very simple way to do it. This code will not install the full tracking for Bing. So it's just for Clarity. For Bing and Microsoft Ads, I recommend using our dedicated add-on. Now, the third way you can do it is through Google Tag Manager. So configure a Google Tag Manager container with Clarity tracking. I won't show you how to do it. That's more like a Google Tag Manager stuff. But once you have the container, add the container ID here in our Google Tag Manager dedicated section, enable Google Tag Manager, add the container here, and save. So that's the third way. Don't do it multiple times. So don't add the code view with Bing. Don't add the code manually with head and footer like I have on my demo website because I'm testing things. And with Google Tag Manager, pick only one way to do it. So once you have the code, you will start to see reports in your Clarity account, and they are pretty nice. You can also connect Google Analytics and Google Ads. It doesn't mean that Clarity will send data to Google Analytics or to Google Ads. They will get data from there. So they will get some reports. They look quite nice. And basically you can see the heat map and recordings for those reported pages. It's not a big deal, but it's something you might want to try and play with. So let's see if I can visualize such a report, a recording. Let's go here. Takes a while. Select a recording, and in my case, they always look like this, wrong. So they don't look correctly. What you can do, you can install Clarity, Microsoft Clarity Live extension on your Chrome. Install it. And then you can open a page from your website with the extension here in the browser. This is the way it looks. Click on the extension, enable Show Clarity widget, and you will have this widget. And click on recordings, for example, and you will see the available recordings for the page that you are actually on. I'm not sure I have any record. I do have. So yeah, this is how it looks. Pretty nice. So this is it. I don't go into all the details. Clarity is pretty nice. I like it. I still think Google Analytics has much more insights and is much more useful, but combining the two of them, it's also something that I like to do. So yeah, our Bing add-on is also a Clarity add-on. It has to support for Clarity as well. You can get the Bing add-on. Oh, correct page. From here, PixelYourSite add-ons Pinterest, or if you buy PixelYourSite Professional 10 and 100 domains license, now that license has access to Bing and Pinterest. So I'm Cristian Stoicescu from PixelYourSite. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.